Hey everyone, it's Rob the Backyard Gardener, and it's time to update you on my peach trees grown from seed. For those of you that are new to my channel, I do want to remind you, or at least let you know, I should say, that I started these peach trees from seed on October 2nd, 2016. So they're right around 17 months, just over 17 months old. Last year, right around the 10-month mark, I planted one of my peach trees outside, and the second one didn't make it. But in this video, I'll update you on the one that's now 17 months old, as well as 4 new ones that are 6 months old and look fantastic. Without further ado, let's go take a look at these peach trees. All right, guys, thought I'd give you an update on my 17-month-old peach tree. Now, obviously, it's the middle of March, so it just started to break its buds. Obviously, this is only going into its second year, so there's not going to be any flowering. I'll show you an example of a couple of young or older peach trees that have some flowers this year. I've got a nice canopy going on it as far as a goblet shape. You've seen it in the previous videos, but yeah, this sucker's doing just fine. Pretty healthy trunk. It's a low profile one. It seems like all peach trees grown from seed always tend to be shorter dwarf style varieties. Unlike apples and unlike plums that can be unpredictable in height and generally huge, the peach trees seem to always be a lot smaller. It's kind of cool though. I'm not going to get any fruits or flowers this year, maybe next year at the earliest, but this year we're going to focus on canopy construction and we're going to focus on growth. I want to keep this guy probably about 10 feet tall, and I want to leave on a lot of growth spurs and growth buds, because I'm hoping that next year or the year after we can get some flowers and some fruit. 17 months old. I hadn't given you an update since the 1 year mark on October 2nd. Now, strategically I planted them here because it's always best to have cross pollinators with peach trees, and I got a couple of varieties. I've got a harvester peach. This one's 3 years old. Finally getting some flowers this year. Getting them early. Peach trees are always the first to break buds, in my opinion. And then we've got a Loring peach tree over here. Both of these peach trees, this one's a monster. I probably need to take about 2 feet off the top, maybe 3 feet. I just didn't get a chance this year, and the sap's running, so I'm not really willing to cut them down now and risk killing some of the branches. But it's a mess a little bit. Who cares? It'll still produce, and at the end of the day, if I get any fruit up that high, we'll let the birds get to it. They always get to them anyway. But that's my Loring peach. All right, guys, here's the other 4 plants, the other peach trees I've started from seed about 6 months ago. I don't know the exact date because I just wanted some plants inside just to kind of hedge my bet, since I'm down to that one outside that you saw that's doing fantastic. So probably not a lot of need for these, but to any extent, I wanted to give them a shot. They're just your standard everyday store-bought peaches. So I'm not really sure of the variety. They're not going to produce true to seed anyway, but you can see I've already trimmed them, topped them quite a few times just to keep them indoors. The plan is to get these guys outdoors. I'll pick a spot for them and see how they do, somewhere around where those other peach trees are. But I wanted to give you an update on them just because these will be part of the peach tree series this year and throughout the next few years. It's been a while since I've shown you a lot of things, and I apologize for my absence. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video with me. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.